Imagine life without electricity for an extended period, weeks, even months. Are you ready? Let's explore critical survival strategies to endure a long-term power outage. Water is your top priority. You'll need at least 1 gallon per person daily, but storage alone isn't enough. Rotating stored water every 6 months ensures it's fresh. Additionally, water filtration systems are indispensable. Gravity-fed filters like Berkey systems can purify water from natural sources, including rivers, lakes, or even rainwater. Learn to locate and harvest these sources safely. With power out, refrigeration becomes obsolete, making non-perishable foods essential. Stock up on items with long shelf lives like canned vegetables, meats, dry beans, rice, and grains. However, don't overlook food variety. Incorporate comfort foods and spices to maintain morale during tough times. Learning preservation techniques such as canning, dehydrating, or even fermenting can extend your food stores significantly. Consider how you'll cook without power. Solar cookers harness the sun's energy, while propane or wood stoves offer reliable alternatives. Solar panels are a renewable power source worth investing in, but they come with challenges. Understanding how much energy you'll need is crucial. Calculate the wattage of essential devices to determine the size of your solar setup. A solar generator can store energy, but be mindful of its limits. For those who opt for traditional generators, storing fuel becomes vital. Fuel stabilizers can extend the shelf life of gasoline or diesel, but plan for limited availability. Also, be aware of the noise a generator makes. It can attract unwanted attention in a crisis. Maintaining hygiene during a power outage can prevent the spread of disease. Stockpile soaps, sanitizers, and disinfectants. Without running water, consider a backup sanitation system. Composting toilets are an eco-friendly option, but ensure you understand how to manage them effectively. If using bleach for disinfection, remember the correct ratio: 1 tablespoon of bleach per gallon of water. Personal hygiene items like toothpaste, feminine hygiene products, and diapers should be part of your stockpile, along with plenty of garbage bags for waste disposal. Keeping your home comfortable is a challenge without power. For heating, wood stoves are an excellent option if you have a wood supply and proper ventilation. Insulating your home, using heavy curtains, sealing drafts, and even using thermal blankets can retain heat during winter. In summer, cooling can be managed by creating cross-ventilation, using reflective window covers, and wearing lightweight, moisture-wicking clothing. Battery-operated fans can help, but remember to store enough batteries. Medical preparedness is often underestimated. A comprehensive first aid kit is non-negotiable, but go beyond the basics. Stock up on over-the-counter medications like pain relievers, antihistamines, and antidiarrheals. If you or a family member takes prescription medications, discuss with your doctor the possibility of obtaining an extra supply for emergencies. For those relying on medical devices, having a backup power solution is essential. Consider portable power stations or even manual alternatives if possible. Finally, preparation extends beyond supplies. An effective emergency plan involves the whole family. Regularly review and practice your plan, ensuring everyone knows their roles. Teach family members how to turn off utilities, operate backup systems, and use emergency equipment like fire extinguishers or radios. Communication is vital. Have a plan for staying in touch if cell towers are down. Walkie-talkies or even ham radios can be valuable tools. Remember, surviving a long-term power outage isn't just about what you have. It's about what you know and how well you've prepared. Start building your resilience today, so when the lights go out, you're not left in the dark.